Right guys. Bow chicka wow wow. Right, we're here. We're in another abandoned house full of stuff. Cannot wait to get around this one. We always say it, but we do. We always look forward to it. Hit a subscribe button, little bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling. That's it. Future Explorers.
Ding-a-ling.
Give it a like, drop it a comment. Let us know what you think of this place. Yeah, that's it.
Get on with
Crack on. Welcome to the garage. As you'll see, leads on into this kitchen. This kitchen has got some quite cool stuff in, I must say. It doesn't look like your everyday kitchen. As you'll see by like the wash basin and that here, it just doesn't look normal. It's in the middle. You've got this brick wall that comes down. This looks more like a stables than a kitchen, not gonna lie. All the wallpaper here, like you see, it's all drooped over the electrical cable where it's fallen down. You've got some little pieces at the top here. What is quite interesting is, look at this, it's a huge beam and it's bricked. The roof is brick. How crazy is that? We've got a little record player down here. Wow, wasn't expecting that, I must say. Oh, look at the toilet. So the toilet is here. It's got a shower curtain going across. It's a bit weird, I must say, but oh. Come around, swing around here to these wardrobes. It's actually raised up. Like you see at the bottom here, the brickwork. You come up and this is raised. We've got maybe a Belgian band or something like that. Old record there. What else have we got along here? Got a radio. And then it looks like it says Victoria. Doesn't look like a singer. We found one, a green one in another Explore we've done. I can't remember what that was called, again with a B, but it doesn't look the same as that either. Looks in good nick though. And you'll see in this wardrobe. Wow. So we do come back round. I don't think there's anything I've missed in here. As we come through, we'll come to where the main door would have been. You see we've got a room that leads off there. We've got some stairs that leads off into the attic where there's another room. And as we come round, for some reason we've got the hob, which is down in here. We'll come through this old door here. Now this is a bit more modern, should I say, than what we have previously done in Belgium so far. First impressions when I walked in here was the chairs. They look a bit more retro-y, I think. For some reason it's screaming 70s to me with that like red leather and that. Fireplace, looks like there would have been a fireplace that went into the chamber, but it's not there no more. We've got some old family photos here. Look at that. I wonder who that was of. Looks like some more along here. Got a mirror along here. I've got to show this. This scares the life out of me, guys. But look at that. Oh God, it's a huge spider. Hate them. Hate them with a passion. Whew, we come across here. Willie and Diane, 1989. Got the old thermostat up here. As you'll see on the door, Looks like it's taped, so this is a front door. Umbrella hanging on there. What I found quite interesting is on this table, and it is bones of animals and flies all stuck on this paper. It looks like little birds or something like that. I don't know, it doesn't look very nice. Sorry, I had to show you though. We show everything. This looks quite cool though. That does look very nice. And these bowls of wine. Got that beautiful clock. Anything in here? Nothing.
These photos on the floor in the kitchen.
Did you?
And I don't like them on the floor. They're all getting wet.
I've got them down there. Let's have a look at them.
Is that Disneyland? No.
I'm not sure. Look nice though. This is actually a picture of the house itself, but that was a very long time ago because it doesn't look like that now. Oh, we'll come into maybe a living room. I feel like that one was maybe a sitting room possibly. This one, more of a living room. Look at that rocking horse. Wow, this screams old. It's quite like a picturesque scene, isn't it? See these lovely trinket pieces and family photos here above the fireplace. Very old ones at the bottom. You got your standard cross up there with Jesus on top, and little vase, bowl. I don't know. See this little stool?
Yeah.
In front of the fire. It's quite cool.
Do you put magazines? No, don't put magazines on there. Is it a footstool?
Might have been. The dresser looks nice, doesn't it? I'm on like Spider Watch. Oh look, some plates and that in it. It's nice. Have a look in this one.
Very good, very nice.
Looks like an electric razor.
You see a lot of them everywhere, I think.
You do, to be fair. Pencil sharpener and that in there. Lock them up. So we'll come over to this side. Light fittings. It's not the first light fitting seen like this.
Hanging on.
It is. It looks like we've got some cross stitch there. Maybe an old family photo again.
Surely not.
I don't know, it'd be weird to have a random kid. But if you're on here, look, you can actually see where stuff was hanging.
No, because people have. That's what I mean. That's why we're saying about old photos, isn't it?
I know. And we'll come in here. And we've got some military jackets by the looks of things. And I tell you what, there's one upstairs which does look brilliant. So we'll come into the first bedroom. Very tiny. So it's only going to be able to fit one of us in here, but look at that bed. God, as you come up here, you got a pig poster. No. Got a pig poster up here, 1990. We've got some fag butts in that down here. God. That looks like old letters. Those are little trinket pieces as well. Look at them. You can see on the window that nature's trying to get back inside, isn't it? What we got down there? Looking that way. Got a pair of old shoes down there.
there's half a hill coming out the bed.
Right,
Scales work.
let's get out. Oh, head up these steep stairs. These are really steep. Oh. So technically we're in the loft now. This is that military jacket I was on about. It's very cool. Hanging in front of the wardrobes here. Again, a few bits of clothes in there. There's a lot of washing lines in here, if I'm honest. Quite a few washing lines. And when we come over to this side, we've got another bedroom. First, sort of take you over to this set of drawers here. Look at that. It's absolutely nuts. I love the detail of the design in all of this. And you know what, I can't remember what this is. What is this? If someone could let me know. Because I see them all the time, I can't remember right now off the top of my head what it is. I would be grateful. The hole here. So I'm going to dodge this. Stand on a beam and go through. Hope for the best. There is a beam. Some beams that go all the way through. Right. And this is your bedroom, guys. 2 beds. And all I need to do is a slow pan, really. Looks like they're into motorbikes, motorbike trophies. Light there. And then another bed along here. I think I'm zoomed out, aren't I? Yeah. You ain't gonna get much more view. It is so tiny in here, it's unreal. But it was definitely worth coming in to show you around. Because as we were saying, the places here are exquisite. Look at the decay on this place. Unreal. Right guys, hope you enjoyed that. Small but sweet. I mean, this place, lovely. Loads of old memorabilia in here, really, isn't there?
Oh, yeah, it's just little bits and bobs, but it's not full. But
No.
it doesn't matter. It's just all the little bits and bobs that are left behind. It's cool.
The stuff isn't as old as what we've been looking at recently around it.
No,
that's what I found anyway.
No.
But anyway, I mean, we hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. I'm not going to go over it again. But are you happy?
I'm happy. Hope you guys are happy too.
Catch you soon, guys.